welcome abukeli manizibulisele ngulongu uDr Maqolo himself. Sikulo ihlelo layo xhosa TV predictors. Today we are having a nice food for you. We are having 86 odds where a lot of teams were getting from EFL Cup in England and Latvia and UEFA International UEFA League. The first one will be in Latvia. The FC versus Rakers. We will give a straight win to FK Rakers. The second one is Gillingham versus Southampton. Lay a double chance the win-win. Sutherland versus Crew. Again, double chance they both the cup. Anyone can win. Win-win again. Sheffield Wednesday against Stockport County. It's a double chance also the win-win. Stevenage FC versus Watford. Give also a win-win there. Rem versus Wigan. Give also a win-win there. Rotterdam versus Morecambe. Give a win-win also. Charlton versus Birmingham. A win-win also. Plymouth versus Leyton Orient London versus also give win-win also. Forest Green Rovers versus Portsmouth. Give win-win also. Derby versus Blackpool. Win-win also. Notts County versus Lincoln City. Win-win also. Barnsley versus Drama. Win-win also. Bolton Wanderers versus Borough. Win-win also. Blackburn Rovers versus Walsall. Win-win also. Swansea versus Northampton. Win-win also. In South Africa, DStv League, Orlando Pirates versus Real M is playing half 7. Give Orlando Pirates in a draw. We go to internationally UEFA League where Olympia versus Galatasaray. Give Galatasaray the draw. Another one is KL versus Mold. Just give Mold the draw. Braga versus it's a friendly game. Baka Topola. Give Braga in the draw. Hull City versus Doncaster Rovers. Give win-win. Millwall versus Readings. Win-win. Christian North End versus Salford City. Give win-win. Another friendly game is Compostela versus RC Celta Vigo. Give Celta Vigo a win. Thanks for today. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.